Well, here I am. We've got here a 1953 Cadillac Coupe DeVille. Very nice, solid car. And it's been sitting in this pole barn for close to 20 years. So I've got it cleared out mostly around it. And we're just gonna do a quick view of it. So the car was repainted once, and it was painted the correct original colors. It's got the dark blue roof, the light blue lower. I know it's a little dark in there, but look at this original leather. Look at how nice, soft that is yet. I don't know if you can see that fabric. That's all the Cadillac crest. It's actually embroidered right into the fabric. Something of interest there. Cadillac pickles. There's the rear seat. And if you see the tubes sticking out of the back there, that tube, that's your air conditioning. The air conditioning unit is mounted in the trunk. Got the fake air vent trim on the front of the rear quarter panel. And going all the way back, got your little fin. I'll take some better pictures once we get it pulled out of here, but we are pulling it out today. So I have a friend on the way. He's gonna help me get this out. See if I can open this with one hand. There we go. There's that giant air compressor pump. Pretty sure the generator has been rebuilt. Had the long 12-volt battery. First year for 12 volt. But it's still kind of a tractor looking battery. Long and skinny. So air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, power windows, hydraulic power windows. We look inside the front fender here. I don't know if we can see or not, but right here. Right there. This is, it's basically a pump for what you would find in a convertible. Hydraulic pump, and that runs the windows. Hydraulic cylinders in each window, and also hydraulic powered seats that move it forward and back. Pretty cool car. Real metal, wow. So that's it. Gonna get it pulled out, and we'll get some better pictures soon.
good.
Clear?
Yep.
Okay.
Whenever you're out of track, I can winch anytime. Oh, you got it. Alright.
That's good?
Yep.
Okay. That's a good looking car. Yeah, I like the little rain rail things. The drip protector stuff.
Yeah, the flippers.
And
I was taught about flippers when I bought my first 57 Chevy.
Alright, I'll get out of your way here. It's a good looking car, Adam.
It's better now.
Yep. There's a better look. So the headliner is out. Had a hole in it. And door panels are off. The hydraulic cylinders need to be replaced. But the fabric's in wonderful condition. So some new carpet, get it back together, and it would be a real nice looking car. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You can see the rear tire was locked up. Going the whole way we were dragging it. Kept it from rolling too far. Totally slide. How's it look underneath?